Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you an easy galaxy nail design that's super magical. Let's get started. First, I'm applying a thin top coat on a black base and not curing it. Using a fan brush, I'm tapping on some galaxy powder, then curing it. Now I'm adding a layer of blooming gel and leaving it uncured. I'm dropping 3 colors of cat eye gel into the blooming gel. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Using a magnet, I pull the shimmer for more shine, then cure it. Next, I'm drawing some thin spider gel lines. At the corner, I'm painting a tiny silver star. Finally, I'm sealing everything with a top coat.